Good morning to all students. Yesterday I have taught about the similar triangles and similar polygons. Today we discuss about the theorem depending on the similar triangle. It is very important theorems that is known as the Thales theorem, or it is also known as basic proportionality theorem. Its statement is, if a line is drawn parallel to one side of a triangle to intersect the other two sides and distinct points, the other two sides are divided in the same ratio. It is the statement of Thales theorem. In triangle, we can see here is ABC is a triangle in which this D parallel to BC and this D intersect AB in D and AC in E. This is given. Here we can write in triangle ABC, D parallel BC and it intersect AB and AC at D and E respectively. It is given. We have to prove this D intersect at D and AC intersect by E at a point this E. Then we have to prove this AD by DB, AD by BD or DB equal to AE by EC. We have to prove. Here we construct to get its proof. We join B, this B and E, this B is joined, and CD, this C and D is joined. Also draw DG perpendicular on AC and EF perpendicular on AB. Proof. Since this line EF perpendicular on AB and it means this EF perpendicular on AD as well as this EF also perpendicular on BD. Therefore, in triangle ADE and DBE, we can write area of triangle AD by area of triangle DBE equal to area of triangle half into base into height. Therefore, half into base AD in triangle AD and its altitude EF. Therefore, we can write half into AD into EF by in triangle DBE, this triangle DBE, its altitude EF. Therefore, we can write half into DB into EF and EF cancel, half cancel, then remaining AD by DB, equation number 1. Similarly, this DG is also perpendicular on AC. It means DG perpendicular on AE as well as DG perpendicular on AC. Therefore, we take again triangle ADE and DEC. Its area triangle AD, area of triangle AD by area of triangle DEC equal to, use area formula of area, then half into base, this base AE into DG divided by again half into this base EC into altitude DG. DG cancel, half cancel. Then remaining AE by EC equal to this, consider as second equation. Now here we see that this line D parallel to BC and two triangles DBE and DEC lie on this base D and between these parallel lines D and BC. Therefore, we can write triangle DBE and triangle DEC lie on the same base and between the same parallels. Therefore, area of triangle DB equal to area of triangle DEC.
Start.
Taking reciprocal of this, then 1 by area of triangle DB equal to 1 by area of triangle DEC. This multiplied by both side by area of triangle ADE, then area of triangle ADE by area of triangle DB equal to area of triangle ADE by area of triangle DEC. And this implies from 1 and 2 AD by DB for this, and for this AE by EC. Hence we proved Thales theorem. Now we take its corollary. In triangle ABC, if D parallel to BC, then by Thales theorem AD by DB equal to AE by EC. Taking reciprocal of it, taking inverted, then what comes? DB by AD equal to EC by AE. Adding 1 on both sides. 1 plus DB by AD equal to 1 plus EC by AE. Taking LCM, then AD plus DB by AD equal to AE plus EC by AE. This implies from figure AB by AD equal to AC by AE. It is corollary of Thales theorem.